At Carla, bukas nga ay June 12 na ang 115th anniversary ng ating Independence Day. Kaya naman para pag-usapan yan at malaman natin kung ano ang nakahanda sa atin bukas, makakasama natin ngayong umaga si Architect Veronica Dado, ang Deputy Executive Director for Programs and Projects ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Magandang umaga, Architect.
Good morning, JC, and good morning, Carla, and sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Architect, siguro umpisahan natin, ano nga ba yung mga programang nakalatag for tomorrow sa ating June 12 Independence Day?
Tomorrow, we will have the simultaneous flag raising and wreath-laying ceremonies. So, iba-ibang venues yan. But the main venue will be in Luwasang Bonifacio with our President as guest of honor. So, it's at 8 o'clock in the morning. So, simultaneous yon in other sites rin. So, we have one in Rizal Park with Vice President Jejo Marbinay. We also have in Kawit, Cavite, yung bahay ni Aguinaldo, with Senator Gilon. We have in Pinaglabanan Shrine with Senator Gringo Onasan, and Pamintuan House in Angeles City, Mausoleo de los Veteranos in Cemetery, and Bonifacio, Caloocan, Bonifacio Monument in Caloocan.
Lahat ng mga lugar na ito, Architect, I'm sure merong dahilan, no, kung bakit yung sila pinili. Pero partikular ngayong taon ay sa Liwasang Bonifacio magbibigay ng talumpati ang ating Pangulo. No? Bakit sa Liwasang Bonifacio, Architect?
Tama ka, JC. For the first time, we're having the Independence Day rites dito sa Liwasang Bonifacio. Just to remind the people that this year ay ang ika-150 taong kaarawan ni Andres Bonifacio, which will actually be on November 30 this year.
Okay.
So,
Architect, aside from yung flag raising na mangyayari bukas na yung main event nga natin, ano pa yung mga programs na natapos na and meron pa bang mga mangyayari bukas?
actually, Carla, this morning, itong umaga na to, we're going to open the serbisyong pampamahalaan dito sa Rizal Park. It's at 9 o'clock in the morning with Chairman Francis Tolentino of MMDA, who's going to open itong mga booths natin. So, pampamahalaang programa at serbisyo ng government. So, all agencies may mga booths doon to showcase their services and products. And then, meron rin tayong diskwentong caravan, which will have manufacturers and local producers with discounted products doon sa ibebenta doon sa public.
Okay.
At bukas, Architect, ay meron din tayong coordination with DOLE. Tama ba?
Yes.
Para sa inaabangang job fair ng Independence Day.
Yes, tama, JC. We're going to open the job fair rin bukas with DOLE as the head agency. It's at 8 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock. So we have around more than 50,000 jobs which we're going to generate, both local and overseas jobs. And we have pre-employment services na rin doon sa job fair.
Oo nga, it's like a one-stop shop. Napag-usapan nga natin to kahapon. Kahit yung mga requirements, yung mga NBI, ganun, they will be there as well para mas madali na para sa mga mag-a-apply.
Yes.
So very interesting. Tsaka eksakto dahil holiday bukas, no? So walang pasok para doon sa mga gustong maghanap din ng ibang trabaho siguro sa kasalukuyan nilang trabaho.
Yes, yes. Especially yung bagong graduates last
Of course.
Pero Architect, pag-usapan natin yung tema naman for tomorrow, Kalayaan 2013 nga, ambagan para sa malawakang kaunlaran. What does this mean? What do you think about it?
For us, sa government agencies kasi, tulong-tulong talaga kami to give this public service, yung ibibigay namin sa mga kababayan natin. And we are enjoining everyone, hindi lang naman kasi kami sa gobyerno, but everyone to do their share in contributing to our progress in kaunlaran natin.
Actually, Architect, I was expecting na talaga magiging mainit ngayon yung issue ng kalayaan, kasarinlan, ganyan. Kasi particularly, nitong huling taon, parang ang daming nangyari pagdating sa Scarborough Shoal, no, nagkaroon din tayo sa Tubataha Reef. Are these issues in any way na-integrate din, architect, doon sa ating pag-imagine ng ating Independence Day?
Well, siguro it makes us realize yung pagka-Pilipino natin. We have to, yung sama-sama talaga tayo to protect our identity as being Filipinos. So, I'm sure yung mga affairs which have occurred recently will make us stronger as being Filipinos.
Actually, I think, Carla, parang patunay yun, no, na hindi pa tapos, no, yung patuloy na pagprotekta, no, tsaka paglaban din, no, para sa ating kasarinlan, para sa ating kalayaan, no, bilang isang bansa.
And of course nga, we will be celebrating that. Pero for you, parang what can the ordinary Filipino do to celebrate yung kalayaan nga natin tomorrow?
Siguro, if they have the chance to participate in the flag raising and wreath laying.
Open to, no, architect?
Oh, it's open. So we have several venues na pwede nilang puntahan. Just being a Filipino, to attend that, yung just to respect the flag and participate in the government programs na inihanda ko namin.
And ang dami namang programs nga, so you know, it's easy really to participate tomorrow, and I'm sure it will be a wonderful experience as well.
Try din ng mga kababayan nating lumabas-labas, no? Kasi pag holiday, nag-Facebook lang, tsaka nag-Twitter.
Nag-tweet ng mga ng flag.
In case, architect, medyo maulan ngayon, have you been preparing as well yung logistics kung sakaling
Yes.
umulan nga bukas?
We have tents prepared for the celebrations.
So, para rin sa audience natin, no, na dadalo.
So every year, do you hold the same events or talagang every year merong unique activities?
Every year we have the same events, but then may mga changes rin. Like, for example, yung ngayon, yung jobs fair natin, medyo mas marami to kaysa last year. Kasi last year, I think we have 20,000. This year is about 50,000 na.
Oh wow, so talagang more than half pala to.
Yeah, every year we try to improve.
Yes, of course.
Actually, architect, I was wondering doon sa job fair, meron po ba tayong idea kung ano-ano mga trabaho yung magiging open doon?
Yes, it's both skilled and unskilled. So, and it's both local and overseas. I think the overseas will be about 40,000 jobs and 10,000 for local. And then government agencies will also be opening there will be some openings in the government service.
Yes, and this is open for all, of course.
Yes, open for all.
Pero ma'am, what about for you? What are you looking forward to the most tomorrow?
So tomorrow I will be attending for sure the commemorative event, flag raising and wreath laying, and I will be visiting the pampamahalaang serbisyo and the Diskwento Caravan. So mga discounted products doon.
Para baka mura kayo, no,
Yes.
architect?
Shopping.
Pero architect, nabanggit nyo na rin kanina, espesyal itong taong ito dahil din sa pag-celebrate natin ng 150th anniversary ng pagkasilang ni Andres Bonifacio.
Yes.
What are the preparations now na ginagawa rin ng National Historical Commission? I'm sure meron na para sa inaabangang celebration na ito.
Yes, actually we launched yung karawan ni Andres Bonifacio last year, November 30, sa Pinaglabanan Shrine naman.
Alright.
We unveiled the logo, which is also downloadable doon sa website namin, which is www.nhcp.gov.ph. And for this year, we're sprucing up the national monument sa Caloocan. So it's the Bonifacio National Monument, which we will be having the commemorative event on November 30.
Alright.
Okay, so lahat rin ng mangyayari bukas na events, the Filipinos can also look at your website for details.
Yes, they can. And we also have regional, Visayas and Mindanao. Yung main celebrations natin will be in Cebu and in Davao City.
Okay.
Alright, so sana talaga no, maging napaka-successful ng ating event bukas. I'm sure no, with all the preparations as well. And yun nga, no, we're also looking forward doon sa celebration ng 150th no,
Yes, of course.
ni Andres Bonifacio. Kasi ang laki nung naging celebration nung kay Rizal, I remember, no, nung 150th birthday din no, ni
In
Dr.
Calamba.
Jose Rizal
Yeah,
in Calamba.
birthplace.
It was a huge event, so we're also looking forward to this year. Architect, meron ba tayong any message para sa ating viewers? Maybe invite them for tomorrow.
Yes, iniimbitahan ko lahat na to take part in our Independence Day celebration dito sa 7 sites which I mentioned earlier. And of course, today, magbubukas na kami doon sa Rizal Park. It's at the Plaza San Lorenzo, which is right across Quirino Grandstand. So, iniimbitahan ko lahat ng viewers natin and of course you to come and join us in our celebration.
Okay,
Okay.
maraming
Thank you so
salamat,
much.
Architect. Yan po si Architect Veronica Dado ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines.